Hello students, welcome to online classes. This is class 7th, unit 5, simple comedies, life simple comedies, section 1, Bidesya Babu, presented by Mrs. Renu Tiwari. This is a beautiful comedy. So let us start the chapter. So this is the story about a person who was known as the name Bidesya Babu. So let us read the story, then we'll come to know why he was called with this name. In Pipli town in Hazaribagh district of Bihar lived Bidesya Babu. In Bihar, there was a city, Hazaribagh, and in that city, one town is there called Pipli. That was a native place of Bidesya Babu. You might want to know why he was called Bidesya Babu or Videshya Babu or Foreigner Babu. I think all are thinking now why this name Videsya Babu was there, why he was called with this name. So it wasn't because he had traveled to distant lands or anything like that. It is not like that he is foreign returned, so that's why everyone was calling him with this name Videsya Babu. About 20 years ago, he had gone to visit his grandfather's house and he stayed there for 2 months. And where was the house of his grandfather? Kirmiri. Kirmiri was the village where his grandfather was house was there. So but because he had gone far away in train and came back wearing shiny new brown boots with black laces and a solar topi on his head, people thought he was a very well traveled sort of man, so they called him Videsya Babu. So people thought he is a gentleman who traveled far away places, and when he came back, he was wearing the shiny boots and wearing the solar topi, that is sun hat. So they started calling him with this name Videsya Babu. So his real name was Debnath Chaudhary. So his real name was Debnath Chaudhary. But even his mother also did not call with this name. She used to call him Bidesya Babu, and the age of his mother was 100 years. Actually, Bidesya Babu was two people on Wednesday. On weekdays, he worked as a geologist in the government survey office, and on Sundays he worked as an amateur inventor and homeopathic doctor. So actually he was a government employee, he was a geologist in government department, survey office, and on Sundays he used to work as inventor, means he liked to invent new things, and homeopathy doctor as well as. So he was geologist, he was inventor, and he was a homeopathic doctor. Geologist means an expert in or student of geology. Now see the incident. As he was inventor, what he invented. Once the Raja of Hathi paid him to visit to present him a mosquito net. So embroidered with, can you believe it? Giant Anopheles mosquitoes. So once he invented the mosquito net that can prevent from the mosquitoes. So the king called him for curing him of jungle malaria and hiccups. So king called him because he came to know that this was invented by him. So when they used to go to forest, they can use that. Once the chief engineer developed a crick in his back. Suddenly, the chief engineer, once he felt pain in his back or pain stiff feeling in the neck or his back, then what Videshya Babu helped him, and he cured him. When he bent to thank Bideshiya Babu for filling the old coal quarry with water and turning it into the lake. So once chief engineer who was suffering with the crick, Bideshiya Babu worked as doctor and engineer got relief. Among the automatic can openers and 5-second match problem solver that Bideshiya Babu invented was his most famous invention. Now one more invention done by Bideshiya Babu. What was that? Automatic can opener he has made, and 5-second match problem solver he made. So a gadget with that you can solve the math problems within 5 minutes. Vidyasya Babu's these inventions were very famous. This was the immediate upstart finder, a little box with big antennae that picked up nerves responses typical to troublemaker. Now he has made one more thing, new invention, antennae he has made. So it can respond the picked up the nerves and responses typical or troublemaker. As you may imagine, this was a terrific thing to have at a mela. It always pointed out exactly who was going to plant a cracker under the head Havaldar's seat. Means with the invention that he has made, that antennae, with the help of that antennae, we can easily find out the person who is going to plant a cracker under the seat of head Havaldar, or who was planning to purloin the page handy when the principal pujari was having 40 wings, and who will steal the page handy when principal will be not there. Sometime Bidesya Babu was heard singing. What was the song? Myself Bidesya Babu am doing crazy things, yes, G. If problem develop, I glad to help. Happy inventing G. Well, what do you think happened one very quiet Sunday morning? See the incident that happened on one Sunday morning. The immediate upstart finder antennae begin waggling furiously right on top of Videsya Babu's inventing table. The antennae that he made, that he invented, suddenly it started to move side to side or up and down. Furiously means in an extremely energetic or hurried manner. So now, what could be the matter, said Vidyasya Babu. When he saw that antennae is moving here and there, he said, what is the matter? As he shot out of his small 2 rooms house into the courtyard. Now he left his room and he came to the courtyard and started calling his neighbors. Are Mohna, Bharna, Khichdi, Motia. He yelled out to his neighbors. क्या हो रहा है भाई? And then they heard someone come crashing through the trees towards them. Then he heard that someone is coming. So it was Badli, a peon in Bidesya Babi's office. Suddenly he heard the voice of Badli, who was working in Bidesya Babu's office as a peon. Sahib, some people have been chopping down pilkhan and banyan trees in the forest. And Sahib, so peon said to Videsya Babu, some people are there, those who are cutting down the pilkhan and banyan trees. The old tiger who lived in the jungle now has fewer places to hide in, and it is rushing about frightening the people of Pipli. Now the tiger who were inside the jungle due to the terror they are coming out, and people of Pipli they are frightening. There was confusion at this news, and everyone began talking at once and sounded like a bad orchestra playing 19 different tunes of same time. Now suddenly all started talking. So it was looking like somebody is playing or playing on orchestra and producing 19 different tunes. No one wanted to face the tiger, of course. They just wanted to be far away from him. Nobody want to face the tiger. They all wanted to save themselves from this danger. So this was the first part of Bidesya Babu. It must be continued. So keep watching the videos. Complete the task given by the teacher. Write the word meanings in the notebook. Stay at home.